by Gary Ordog, MD, Medical Toxicology, in a cranberry field. This is what the algae looks like after a cool winter. It's died and makes a brown scum on the top of the water. Dead algae. Well, probably still alive. It will probably propagate. It's a tough organism. And this is in a cranberry field. Alright. This is irrigation canal. Currently full of dead algae. And if you saw my videos before, you saw that they were full of green algae last summer. And every summer, usually, getting worse every year.